Interested in a 2008 Holden Commodore? Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. A powerful engine will meet your need for speed. Experience greater control of your vehicle with this manual transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.